If your spray hose connection under the sink is leaking, fixing it fast can save you a ton of water and stress. So, here's the deal. First, turn off the water supply under the sink so you don't make a bigger mess. Then, check if the hose is just loose or if the connection is cracked. Sometimes it's just a quick twist to tighten it up, but other times you'll need to replace the washer inside the connector. If you see any cracks or damage on the hose or the connectors, it's best to swap those parts out because patching won't last long. Also, make sure you're using plumber's tape on the threaded parts when reconnecting everything. It helps create a better seal and stops leaks. When you're putting it back together, hand tighten first and then give it a gentle extra turn with pliers, but don't go overboard or you'll strip the threads. After everything's snug, turn the water back on slowly and watch carefully for leaks. If water starts dripping again, double check if you missed a washer or if the hose is kinked somewhere causing pressure. Keeping these small things in check can save you from bigger plumbing headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes with fixing spray hose connections causing leaks under the sink is not turning off the water first. You don't want to flood your cabinet, trust me. Another common issue is over-tightening the connections. People think tighter is better, but it can crack fittings or strip threads and make leaks worse. The third thing is skipping plumber's tape on threaded connections, which is a simple fix that stops most leaks but often gets overlooked. To fix these, always shut off water before starting. Tighten carefully without forcing parts, and wrap threads with plumber's tape before reconnecting. Doing these 3 things right can make your repair way more reliable. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it helps homeowners find trustworthy local contractors who actually know their stuff and get the job done right. For contractors, it's a solid way to connect with people who need work done, making it easier to build a good reputation and grow their business.